take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get
Today's wig is from Luvme Hair. I'm working with their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. So the hair texture is Waterwave and the density of this wig is 280. So guys, this wig is definitely very full and very bouncy. It comes with an elastic band and it comes with some adjustable straps at the back of the wig. So as you guys can see, the wig already came pre-bleached and it came pre-plucked as well. It has a very natural hairline. So the first thing to do is to apply some foundation, you know, just to help the lace match your skin tone a lot better and it just looks more natural. So you guys can see this is what it looks like. So the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached. So this looks really, really good actually. Okay, so I've got the wig on and this is what it's looking like. You guys can see like it does come with a really natural hairline. I could go in and pluck the hairline a bit more, but I feel like because we're going for a glueless closure wig install today, this is fine. And you can see how good the lace looks as well. So like I said, this is the HD lace and it looks really, really good. So I've just cut down the middle. Now I'm gonna use I'll use this to cut the rest of the lace.
Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
So you can see how natural that looks. Let me just cut off this white part here. There you go. So yeah, you guys can see how natural that looks, and this is how it looks without me gluing it down. No glue, no spray, no gel, nothing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some wax stick, use my hot comb, you know, just to stop this from looking. I feel like right now it's still looking very, very wiggish. It's not looking as natural as it could look. So
you always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
okay, so before I move on to styling, I'm just gonna apply some hair mousse on the lace. This is all I'm gonna use today to like lay down the wig.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking.
So I'm just gonna brush the hair. I'm gonna brush out the hair and then I'm gonna go ahead and wet it.
About, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out.
So there's nothing else in this bottle aside from just water, and I'm gonna spray that all over the wig.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
And then now I'm just gonna apply some hair mousse on the hair as well.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
And then I'm gonna take a paddle brush like this and just use that to brush out the hair and define the curls.
This room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to...
Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some concealer down my part just to make it stand out.
To work on you, yeah, you always make me...
So yeah, this is the finished look and this is what the wig looks like. I am so in love with this curl pattern. So like I said, this is the Waterwave closure wig. I really like how this looks, and the density of the wig is 280, so it is really full. Like, I'm working with a lot of hair. Like, guys, the curls are so nice and they're really soft and fluffy, very bouncy as well. So the length of the wig is 22, so this is a 22-inch wig. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one.